Even though it has only 4 parts, it is extremely difficult to solve, since when you put parts inside, you will end up with one piece that doesn't really fit inside. Doesn't matter how you try. This is the multiplex puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Theo Geerinck and Symen Hovinga. Difficulty level of the multiplex puzzle is 10 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal, as I mentioned, is to fit all the parts inside of the frame. But when you solve the puzzle, you can easily put like 3 parts inside and there is not enough space for the last piece. Even though it looks so close, it's not enough just a little bit, but that is not the solution. You will try another way to fit parts inside, but most of the times you will end up with one piece that doesn't go inside of the frame. If you like the multiplex puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from Puzzle Master. So first you will start with this piece and you have to put it right here in the corner. Next part is quite difficult since I might not even know which one goes here. Probably this one, but there are other parts that have a similar cutout, like this one might go here. So now I have to find which is better to fit in. Maybe actually I have to go with this piece and then probably this piece will go here. That might look correct, but the last piece is the most difficult. Oh, and I actually found the correct solution quickly since I solved the puzzle. I know the solution. I just remember the shape of the parts and where they go. But if you don't know that, you can spend a lot of time trying to figure out the solution. If you like the multiplex puzzle and you want to buy it, or you want to try some other great puzzles designed by Theo Geerinck and Symen Hovinga, go to puzzlemaster.ca.